Exploring the term, ossuary. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into an interesting word, ossuary. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what an ossuary is, its historical significance, and how to use it in sentences. An ossuary is a container, room, or building where human skeletal remains are stored. They are typically used when burial space is limited. By placing the remains in an ossuary, space in cemeteries can be saved for future burials. Throughout history, ossuaries have been used in various cultures and regions. One of the most famous ossuaries is the catacombs of Paris, where the bones of millions of people are stored in underground tunnels. These bones were moved to the catacombs due to the overcrowding of Parisian cemeteries in the 18th century. In ancient Israel, it was common for the deceased to be first buried in a tomb. After a year or so, when the soft tissues had decomposed, the bones would be collected and placed in an ossuary. This allowed families to reuse family tombs for multiple generations. Understanding a word's meaning is one thing, but using it effectively in a sentence can really show mastery. Let's look at a few examples. 1. The archaeologists discovered an ancient ossuary containing the remains of a prominent figure from that era. 2. Many tourists visit the ossuary in Kutna Hora to see the chapel decorated with human bones. 3. The construction workers were shocked to find a hidden ossuary beneath the old church. So there you have it, our deep dive into the term ossuary. Whether you're exploring historical sites, reading literature, or simply expanding your vocabulary, understanding words like this can enrich your experience. We hope this video has been enlightening, and remember, language learning is a journey. So keep exploring and expanding your horizons.